on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today we're going to be making homemade pizza sauce. The ingredients that we're going to need today are one 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, and this has tomato puree in it. Also 2 teaspoons of dried basil, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and also 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. So in a bowl, I'm going to add my can of crushed tomatoes. Now I'm going to add in my ground black pepper, my onion powder, my paprika, sugar, garlic salt, oregano, and dried basil. And all you want to do is mix it together until it's well combined. Okay guys, so your pizza sauce is now ready. You can go ahead and give it a taste. Okay guys, your pizza sauce is ready to use, so I'm just going to make a pizza. I have my pizza dough. I have some pizza blend, shredded cheese, and also some pepperoni. So I'm just going to take some of my sauce, place it onto my pizza dough. And guys, as you're spreading it out, just want to leave about 1 inch all around the crust. Okay, now I'm just going to go in with my shredded cheese. Once you're done, you can go in with your pepperoni. Now it's ready to go into your oven. Okay guys, our pizza is now done. I'm going to go ahead and cut it and give it a taste. Guys, this sauce is a winner every time. It tastes really good. I hope you guys actually give this a try. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the saucy chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?